Hi, boys and girls. Today we're gonna open up Hot Wheels. I have Hot Wheeler, and my brother has Batmobile.
Alright, so we have this one.
And that's what Batmobile looks
Wait, come on, let me show it. And then the Batmobile. So let's open and then we'll show it to our fans.
Yeah, I'm gonna open Batmobile.
Okay, you can open it. Need help?
No.
Want me to start for you?
No, I'm trying.
I know you are. You're doing wonderful. Look at that. Wow.
This Batmobile.
Let's see. So there's Batmobile.
Yes, that's it.
He's pretty cool. Does this do anything? No.
Yes.
Wait, let me show it to the fans.
What's the good thing?
Pretty cool.
Yes. Let's go for me.
That's what it looks like.
Yes. Go to me.
Okay, hold on. I'm showing it to our fans.
Wow.
So there is the
It's hard to
Batmobile.
take this one out.
No. It's my turn to open that door.
Wait, Logan is opening this one.
The car's in front of the plate. Oh,
And let's see.
Hot Wheeler. And it's
Let me see. So the jaw moves. Ah, pretty cool. Hello. Hello. So this is what it, wait. It looks like a wolf, doesn't it?
Let me try to open his mouth.
Wait. He looks like a wolf.
Yeah,
He is pretty cool. I like him a lot. He's mean looking.
And what's it doing with his mouth too? Oh.
All right. So those are the two new additions to our Hot Wheel cars.
Yes.
All right. Thank you for watching, boys and girls.
Thank you for watching, boys and girls.
Bye.
Bye.